Hello everybody, welcome to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey.
Lesson 4.2
الفعل المضارع.
Important to note, all
الفعل
will relate with domir pronouns. Quantity of 1, 2, 3 and more.
مفرد مثنى جمع.
Special letters in beginning and ending of.
الفعل
Specify gender, male, female.
مذكر مؤنث. الفعل المضارع
Is also known as present or future tense.
يكتب.
Means he is writing. We will use the verb for.
الفعل المضارع
How to identify the quantity and gender in.
الفعل المضارع
Observe the beginning and ending letters used in the verb. Let's call back the dormir. There are 14 dormir. Let's combine it with.
الفعل المضارع
Let's look at these domir first. Learn this section carefully. Let's look at the meaning of the highlighted ending letters of each verb. Let's look at the other domir. Can you identify each?
الفعل
You have just learned lesson 2 of 3,
الفعل المضارع
which is also known as present or future tense. Keep on practicing. Stay tuned for upcoming lesson 4.3.
Do support us by subscribe, like, follow, and share. إلى اللقاء. See you again.